Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Sal from HappyPennyStocks.com. I want to talk today about penny stock advice, and I want to make it very clear to people: please stop paying for penny stock advice. Stop doing it. The information they are giving you is publicly available. It is free. Okay, it is absolutely free. The information that they are giving to you, okay, if it was given to them, more than likely it was given to them for free. And they're turning it around, packaging it up in something nice and fancy and selling it to you. Many of you who don't have $199, $299, $99 a month, right? To be, to use information that you can't even use. A lot of these guys are using brokers you don't qualify for. Stop paying for penny stock advice. This industry is not hard to figure out. Okay, it's all about timing. Work on your timing. If you have $10,000 to invest, take 1,000 of that and focus on work and on timing on these pre-promotion stocks, finding out who the good promoters are, and work on your timing. Okay? You don't have to pay somebody $99 a month, whatever ridiculous amount of sum they're asking for to support their lifestyle, right? To turn around and give you information you cannot use. All right? But more importantly, you can go out and get for free. I can't, explain, how much that I get the emails from people. Man, I got my account blown out by so-and-so. I took so-and-so's advice. It didn't work out. How can I jump on the next promotion? How can I, what's the next hot, because you've already been burned somewhere else. So that's when you come to me, A lot of people come to the stock promoters after they lose, a significant amount of capital, doing the NASDAQ thing, the Dow Jones thing, or doing the, shorting thing, and then you turn to the promoter and like, okay, how can I make all that money back? Instead of realizing that the real wealth, the real money, the huge amount of capital is really made being on and getting your timing right on the promotion, right? It's always on the buy side. Way more money is made on the buy side than any other part of the transaction, okay? And you guys need to stop paying these people this kind of money, the ridiculous amount of money that they're charging you for these, DVDs, these tricks, these are, manipulated stocks. How can you teach me, to read a manipulated, it doesn't make sense. You might create a formula, okay, this is going up, this is going down, you might chart it, but hold up. If the promoter suddenly gets $1 million from shareholders to promote the stock, I've blown your chart. Your chart doesn't make sense anymore because we're talking about manipulated stocks here. So guys, stop paying these people. Stop financing these people. I'm going to keep making videos on this because I want to make it a point that new investors, you guys don't have a lot of money to invest with to begin with. The last thing you need to do is give away the portion of the investment, of your initial investment that's really, needed to grow. You need to start off making money. You don't need to start off paying somebody. That's the wrong way to start investing in anything. Okay? It's your boy Sal. Sign up for my newsletter if you haven't already. Please leave a comment below if you don't agree. Also, any suggestions, stock suggestions as well, leave below here in the comment section. All right, guys, take care.